to check out today's video. So today's video is all about a new synthetic wig that has just recently come out, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So make sure you keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because you know we lit over here. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like, and share this video with a friend. So today's wig is from Elevate Styles. I will leave a link down in the description box down below where you can grab this unit off of elevatestyles.com. And the unit that I have, of course, is Sheer Muse Sensational Empress Lace Wig, and this is in the style Lachan, and this one is in neon lime green. So you guys, when these two units came out, well, when this unit and the unit I'm rocking right now came out from Sensational, and I saw it on Sam's Beauty's website, I was like, what? Say word. There is a lime green unit that is out, and the one that I saw in lime green was this one, but this one was sold out in lime green, but Lachan was available in lime green, so I did get the neon lime. And you guys, when I tell you this bad boy is neon lime, I don't know if the lights and the camera is picking up on this bad boy, but she is highlighter, okay? Highlighter lime green. So she's really cute. She's definitely giving me I don't know, like Halloween type of tease. Like I would definitely see a lot of people rocking her for like a costume sort of look, maybe going to the club. I don't know, I feel like she would be glowing in the dark if you wore her to the club. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm bold enough to just wear her like just during the day, but I think she would be dope for like making a statement, like if you had to speak on a panel about hair or about being yourself and being an individual, not blending in and standing out. I don't know if I'd be bold enough to wear her just walking down the street, but I could see me definitely rocking her for a certain purpose. I think she's super duper cute. So yeah, if you're curious about this unit that is also Sensational Sheer Muse unit, I do have a review up on her. I will leave a link up here and in the description box down below, so definitely click that, but make sure you finish watching this review first. So let's get into the cap construction. She is a middle part. She has a lace parting area. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and a nude net cap. She does have soft lace around the edge, and the lace color looks really good. It's basically my exact skin tone, and she does come with baby hairs. So this is Miss Lachan in lime green. Actually, I don't think that's the name of the color. It's called Neon Lime. So I just used a little bit of my edge control around the baby hairs and the perimeter, and just to kind of hide my hair, because my hair is black. So you kind of want to make sure that, well, it's not doing the best job right here, but you want to make sure that it's hiding your dark colored hair underneath, because that will be a dead giveaway. Obviously, this is not your natural hair color, but you don't want your other hair color shining through. So I'm just going to use a little bit of powder in the part. I don't want to do too much, but I just don't want the part to be like black, because my hair is showing. This also is going to help you to disguise the knots. So it's just going to give you a little bit more ability to disguise the knots. And there you go. That's pretty much all that needs to be done with this unit. I'm gonna back up. So this is what this unit is looking like, and you guys, I wasn't sure, but I absolutely love it. I love this unit. This unit is drop dead gorgeous. What I will say for my ladies who are looking at this and it's like, ooh, that unit is bomb, but not in that color. It's only in wild color, sis. So like, you guys step all the way out of your comfort zone with this one. The only colors that this is available in are like bright, colorful colors. It does not come in a 1B, a 2, a 2B, not a 2B. It doesn't come in those type of colors. Like, it's all bright lime, lemon, mint frost, baby blue, neon forest, teal green, and neon purple. So you get in color, sis, all the way through with this one. But Miss Lachan is everything. I love the texture. I love the cut. I love the tapered ends. This is giving me like 613 virgin hair dupe that you bleached and colored. I don't even know if there, maybe Manic Panic has a color that is this lime and highlighter. I'm not sure. I've never seen a hair color this bright. So if you are looking for this color, I would say get this unit, sis, because trying to achieve this from a 613 wig will be quite difficult, I would think, especially if you're doing it at home. So I would definitely say get this unit, you guys, if this is what you're looking for. Obviously it comes in other shades, but nothing tame or demure about Miss Lachan. In whatever color you get, she is here and she is loud and proud, okay? I love it though. I would definitely wear it. I know I said I probably wouldn't wear it out and about, but now that she on my head, sis, you know I would rock this unit. Like, I'd be out in this unit, okay? Wish I had somewhere to go tonight, because that would be there. It's like, let me stop playing. I got like 6 videos I gotta do for y'all tonight, and I gotta edit them, and I gotta post them tomorrow, okay? But yeah, you guys, this unit is super dope. I love it. You don't have to style her the way that I have her. You can bring her in front of your ears with no problem, and just rock her like a regular middle part. But I just want to give y'all the whole look, the whole vibe, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one.